At Nova, we want you to lose the tennis balls on your walker, that is. So tennis balls, which are so ubiquitous on walkers, were never designed for walkers. They're very unsafe, unattractive, and unsanitary. Instead, we have designed walker glide skis that are specifically designed for folding walkers to glide on many surfaces, are long-lasting, and are going to maximize your mobility with your walker. They come in gray and also in black. Now that we know that tennis balls don't work on walkers, let's get rid of them. So to install your walker skis first, you're going to either remove your tennis balls or the rubber tips that usually folding walkers come with. So just go ahead and pull them off, and you're just going to expose the metal here. So to install the walker skis, it's so easy. No tools are required. You're just going to point the walker skis downhill, just like downhill skiing, and just insert the rubber tip into the tube and just put them in partial way. All right, that's it. And then when you lift up the walker, then you can just kind of push down on the walker to make sure that they're fully inserted. And now look at that. You will feel a complete difference having these walker glide skis. It just makes the walker glide so much better. And they glide beautifully on carpet, hardwood floors, on a sidewalk, on grass, and they work really well over small door jams or bumps. All right, now that you've got walker skis, your mobility will be much better, it will be safer, and it will look better too. So get rid of those tennis balls and get walker skis.